ya ine ngeri jaye tegerezo muntu. Babi yankwasanga ina kuna ngati alinga lumulira jina bwana. Tukanga munako.
Na uli amuna ko walira ko musonyiwe.
Ali ato mwami yenyine oba.
Yefude mugundi kipi. Bashuti ngati muli manda.
Sebe sawani olweyo olukaddo olugobye.
Ai soba lugoba.
Ayi kagenze kati wegazanya.
Kati yeyo gafu.
Ye. Kaonera ku lugwanyu. Naye director. Teyaluyitako. Onakule twakola pulimiyo lwaliko ebintu bingi ekiro. Twakola mukasaawe?
Scene 4 wide take action. Silence!
But boss, why did we come back here? And yet they are still looking for us.
As my name goes, Saint, we can't leave our merchandise here. We have to pick our merchandise, look for the buyers, and we disappear. Isn't it?
Yeah.
So stop asking me stupid questions. Isn't it?
Yes, boss. But boss, why did we come back here? Yet they are still looking for us.
As my name goes, Saint, we can't leave our merchandise here. We have to get it. First, we have to look for it. We get it. We look for the buyers, and we disappear.
Okay, boss.
Isn't it?
It is.
So, stop asking me stupid questions. Isn't it?
Yes, boss.
Let's go.
But boss, why did we come back here? Yet they are still looking for us.
As my name goes, Saint, we can't leave our merchandise here. We have to look for it, we get it, and we look for the buyers. Then we disappear.
Yes, boss.
Isn't it?
It is.
So, stop asking me stupid questions. Isn't it?
Yes.
Now, let's go. Where are you?
Yeah, boss. Don't waste my time. Oh, it is here. There, yeah. Wow. Come on, pick it. Come on, pick it. Yes.
You see?
Wow.
Hold it very well.
Cut and pause.
Give me a high five. This is what makes us disappear. Oh, it's here. Hold it very well.
Tugeka sigala nga wetegeeza wansi emaali. Fana bijjayo kono bitangula nga obiteekako wansi. Tomala okwetegeeza kyoteeka ebweru.
Yeah, high five. You see, this is what makes us disappear. Oh, he's here. Hold it very well. The phone is on. Hello?
Yes, thank you.
How are you, sir?
I saw you on the news. Why are you calling me?
No. The reason why I called you. Are you still on? Hello?
Hello?
The reason why I've called you.
Yeah.
You have got the merchandise. Do you still have the money?
Yes, I always have money.
Oh, that's good.
You know what I'm going to do?
No?
I'm going to send you the car to pick you up.
Okay.
Just send me the location where you are.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, let me use a text message. Is that okay? Hello? Hello? So let me send the message. tubalabira mu kamera oba give me high five. You see, this is what makes us to disappear. Oh, let's see. Hold this very well. Nakatema. Give me a high five. You see? This is what makes us to disappear. Oh, it's here. Hold it very well.
Tukola akawansi ono wakkirira okubipangulula. Okay, chimala.
It's here. Hold it very well.
Kafo situka. Dina?
Precious!
Muduka.
Don't let them to go!
Okay, boss!
Don't let them to go, please!
Get medium take. Mugaya ne kafe bajjayo amasanga. Costa, wefuge.
Get them!
Okay, boss!
Don't let them go! Get them!
nko nange.
Tunuddeeyo ne mugamba omaliriza. Abasajja bana abachina nawe bakola n'okuba ng'ali awo agamba have you done oba are you done. Najjako ku chipusi kina kiyayise bwe kyateeka mu macupa bwe kityo oba mwalaba eri kickbox oba ekyokumeka musajja alaudio yesikamu naye bana bankola slow motion engumi kati baali bambi muganda naye nkomye nga bamukubye najjudde omusayi yena lubuto leo ojja kunyeenya.
Ne facial. No linamu. Faizo zena amaso. Haya.
Nga maso gali agalindi. Huh? We go.
Precious! God damn!
Okay, boss.
Don't let them to go.
God, take us.
God damn!
Get out, Gazy.
Don't let them to go. God damn! God damn! God damn! Don't let them to go. God damn!
No.
Don't let them to go.
Okay, boss.
God damn! God damn! God damn!
Okay, boss.
Don't let them to go.
Kati.
Leave her to me. Find the other one. Hurry up, go!
Okay, boss.
Stay there. Where I go? Okay, cut.
Get down! Leave her to me. Find the other one.
Don't kill me.
Quiet! Quiet! I said quiet. You want to run? Get up. I said get up!
Ntambuza omuzayo gye muva. Genda naye nga amaaso gakuli mabega.
Walk! I said walk. You want to run? Let's go!
Okay.
You want to run? Get up! Hurry up! This way. Move! Leave her to me. Find the other one. Yo.
Don't kill me.
Quiet! Get up and move. Move! Hurry up!
Cut.
What? Get up. I said get up! Get up. Move!
Tewekwatwa mukono wakiri gugenda kutama.
Musirike.
Nya ku mutwe ngolinga wesangula amaziga. Malagaleke. Oleta amalala.
Nawe togende eyo kubika maji atombaga mami.
Sobola kumpa ezigali side eno.
Mozati ifekita. Mozanzi. Mozati visuals. Mozati. Visuals. Poshi visuals. Kingi kyata abakola. Working production.
Katinga. Amali mu action.
Kama message zange mwe.
Maziga galazi. Katinga. Takugamba mbu 23 mmanyi oyo. Etiga gogera tutule eri side kugajja kwenoonya. Mwagalanze. Eyekyaama. Ndabide kufene obo mundiddeko. Oze kumpuniza muyizi. Mukombulu. Sina mwana ngaliza.
Naleta akabi. Mbu musindikire ku dakika kweretera mbu akubira ab'emaana mu batuuli.
Nze bagambye eddakiika nze sirinaako ddakiika. Mugambe sirinaako. Pozi ngaze naako. Amalina? Alimu akusanyabo. Omukono ogumu guteeka okutama nga bwakoze. Tujjeyoko. Tekeyo ogweri.
Ali ku nsawo yange musimululaye. Bwemubulamu ekintu mwebale bulungi.
Naye mukola kyawo?
Bali ku ngoye zaffe awo.
Ekibula.
Kale. Mulimu essimu yange omwo naye wesigisanga. Yakumbuulira.
Okubiri. Olabayo. Nulako gye bava. Cut. Abali wagulu musirikeko.
I know you are here, but you just come out. If you don't come out, your sister is going to die. I can smell your fear. You are just around, but I'm coming for you. I know you are here. You just come out. If you don't come out, your sister is going to die. I'm smelling your fear. You are just around, but I'm coming for you.
Okay, good. Kati poshi munkubire. Nkwagala waka. Nenzira makula abantu wonna obawa naye nga si waka. Ngenda kukukuba. Owulire? Nenzije waka nga sikusangayo. Checho.
You just come out, because if you don't come out, your sister is going to die. I'm smelling your fear. You are just here around.
I know you're trembling.
I know you're trembling. Let me come for you.
Ngenda kuwa. Action. Ng'olabiriza. Labiriza wano Aha, damo crossing ode ku kachidako emmanga mpola mpola nga bw'olabiriza eno. Kati wano situlayoko omuntu obeere nga amulingiza. Tukulengere. Okay.
I know you are here. You just come out, because if you don't come out, your sister is going to die. I'm smelling your fear. You are around, but I'm coming for you.
Dawansi. Bwatunula eno ng'oddamu osituka. Situla.
I'm smelling your fear. I know you are trembling. And I'm coming for you.
Aya kyusako ejjambi yange ogize mu mukono omulala. Tambula nga weeyongera mu maaso. Cut.
I'm coming for you.
Waizo.
We've done nothing to you. Why don't you leave us alone?
Come out and we talk about it.
Nani? Simunfo. Sulayo. Action. Cut. Bera nga sifula omutwe waggulu olingiza mu butooke neera then ozaayo wansi spiri nga alinga akulabye amagama gafeno yonna mabeggawo simumbigiizi. Why don't you leave us alone?
We've done nothing to you. Why don't you leave us alone?
Come out and we talk about it.
Oyogera.
Why don't you leave us alone?
Come out and we talk about it.
We've done nothing to you. Why don't you leave us alone?
Come out and we talk about it.
Sala neera. Kosingodde eno. Pola. Action. Maguka. Yimirira straight otandika okwogera ebigambo byo.
I know you are here.
Kimala. Kati omaguka otunula gyali.
You just come out and we talk about it.
Lingiza. Dukodde eki. Tunula ekyemmanga. Kaffe tunula ekyemmanga. Dukodde ekyengulu. Ngolabiriza. Lingiza kati paying attention ku mimwaje. Kati amaze okwogera lowooza. Olinga muli agamba ekitegeeza sister wange bamukutte ddala tunula nayo ko ekyengulu.
Bakuba yaayi.
Enjala ngezesitaga mu kifaananyi. Nuna nayo ke mabega. Kafe sembera.
If you move, you lose your life.
Tunayo ke mabega. Kafe sembera. Yeah, action!
Why don't you let us go? What did we do to you?
You want to go?
Jambi ajirekere.
We are fugitives who escaped from the police. They were planning to take us to court because we are poachers. But the big problem you did, you saw us. You mean we can let you go just like that?
Sit down. Down.
At last, you have come, eh?
But what did we do?
Don't talk! What are you talking? You want to talk, eh? Okay, talk.
No.
Talk!
Sit down.
You want to run, eh?
Ngoja situka.
You want to run?
Okay, awe nini? Cut. So,
Action, yo.
action! Close up your Faizo.
But why did you let us go? What did we do to you?
You want to go? We are fugitives.
Cut and pause.
We are fugitives who escaped from the police because we are poachers. They wanted to take us to court because we are poachers. But the big problem you did, you saw us. You mean we can let you just to go like that?
Okay. Katuyo kalabise.
Why don't you let us go? What did we do to you?
You want to go? We are fugitives who escaped from the police because they wanted to take us to the court, to court because we are poachers.
Katunule engulu baleta Faizo.
But the big problem.
Tokatinga. Maso gaje ku Faizo chukengo tunudde eri gye bali sosi wano. Nera tunulayo. Bajja.
Sit down. Down.
Okay.
You mean you can run away? When I'm here, I'm called Sente.
Katigazia mko short katini eberenge mikono jiraba jona posha. Bwetu. Focus kweli. Okay. Adina action fena. Alaba.
Sit down. Down.
You have come.
What did we...
Don't talk! You want to talk? You want to talk? Okay, talk. Talk!
Down. Sit down.
You have come.
But what did...
Don't talk! You want to talk,
Sit down.
You want to talk? Okay, talk. Talk! So,
No.
we can leave you just to go like that?
Sit down. Sit down.
Safi.
At the end you have come.
Salodem, salodem katoke. Mulundi gumu.
You want to talk, Okay, talk.
Lagira dante olingiza mukatoke. Mwabasigadde wano muzanye.
So, where are you going?
Okay.
Action.
Don't talk! You want to talk? Talk. Talk! So, you where going?
Kadi wekanye emimwa. Wesikamuko nga buli bakuba wesikamuko. Naira.
Wasting our time running.
Oduka.
Going to
Okay, ka.
talk! Where are you going? Stop your nonsense. What do you have?
Kafu osobola okuda side zeno. Olinga so omulaba bulungi.
Only phones? No cash. Sorry for the delay. Boss. Sorry for the delay.
But we shall be at the pickup point in a few minutes.
Yes? Yeah. We shall be there at the pick point within few minutes. Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Zino keteka msawo.
Oh. Well. Let me start by introducing myself. My name is Andrew Guy, but many people call me Saint because of the love of money. I've worked with him for almost 3 years now.
Yes. And it is very profitable.
Okay, cut. Mulagawa, siraga wagulu. Onakuta akasimu. Kafu yongeremuko wano bwoti. Eno gye tulinga sinyo.
I don't have cash.
Neera. Yagala bakulabeko neera wagulu. Awo.
Hello, boss. We shall be there within few minutes at the pickup point. Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you. Well. Let me start by introducing myself to you. My name is Andrew Guy, but many people call me Saint. You know why? You don't know. Because of the love of the money. I've worked with him for almost 3 years now.
In this poaching business.
In this poaching business. Hunter.
Yes.
And it is very profitable, though risky.
Cutting.
Well. Let me start by introducing myself to you. You want to know me? My name is called Andrew Guy, but many people call me Saint. You know why? You don't know. Because of the love of the money. I've worked with him for almost 3 years now. Hunter.
Yes.
Tell them.
And it is very profitable, though risky.
The problem we face in this poacher's business is being seen.
But I cannot let this risk take me down.
You have seen our faces. And we can't let this risk to let us down.
What do you want from us? What do you want?
You what?
I know Hunter is planning to kill you.
You. And you. I know. Hunter is planning to kill you.
So that we don't leave any witnesses.
So that we don't leave any witness behind. But, as I have called someone,
you're going to be of some use to us.
You're going to be some use to us.
Cut.
You know why? Because of the love of the money. I've worked with him for almost 3 years now. Hunter.
Yes.
Tell them.
Okay. It is very profitable, though risky.
And the problem we face in this poacher's business is being seen.
Katika foli wagambira nti I know Hunter is planning to kill you. Njagala ukwate kujambia boti wagulu jikebereko boti nga mu maaso ga kamera. Aha, awo nyine. Wanika nyo wagulu mu maaso ga kamera dala.
Kamalo kyogera ade najije wansi.
Aya.
Bano bogira
Aya, nga nayo mulabiramu.
nange obondabira.
Aha, aya, kole.
Nga nkadde nnyo. Gira.
Tugende? I know Hunter is planning to kill you. The problem we face in this poacher's business is being seen.
Cut.
Well, My name, I'm called Andrew Guy, but many people call me Sente. You know why? Because of the love of the money. I've worked with him for almost 3 years now. Hunter?
Yes, boss.
Tell them.
Yes, it is very profitable, though risk.
The problem we face, you saw our faces. And the problem we face in this poacher's business is being seen. You saw our faces. You mean we can let you to go just like that? No. Let me start by introducing myself to you. My name is Andrew Guy, but many people call me Sente. You know why? Because of the love of the money. I've worked with him for almost 3 years now. Hunter?
Yes, boss.
Tell them.
It is very profitable, though risk.
The problem we face in this poacher's business is being seen. You saw our faces. I know. Hunter is planning to kill you. But as I've called someone, you may be a use of our program within few hours.
Tojja nnyo eno. Sikayo. Sokoberaawo kigezeemuko bulungi. Nolayo eno gy'ogenda. Kirowoozaako
Kikumanyi.
kati. Kijjayo ekiti. Kati ovaayo. Kola. Kati.
Okay.
Kati mukube. Tunulayo eri ewala. Magako sayidi eno. Ogenda. Oyo, hero, Superman. Kati.
Tona oze mufani ya wano.
Kyomuzaako wansi. Pola. Pola, pola. Sigala oye. sigala nga wetegeeza embeera. Ngenda kutambula muke. Koma wansi. Olaba akakubo. Kat, ojja, yangu buzi. Koma huko. Kat. Pause. Better.
But this girl is tired.
Hey, Hunter.
She's trolling.
Silent him, please.
Shut up.
Hey, Hunter. Silent him, please.
Shut up.
But you are not useless.
Let's go.
But this girl is tired. She's trolling. Why don't you leave her?
Hey,
and take
Hunter.
her with me?
Please silent him.
Shut up.
Pick Ivan. Walk.
Okay.
Ba, sasa musamba gwe.
Musambi.
Focus oyinza ogitadde wano.
Shut up.
Stand up.
Let's go.
Agolo jambia kibegabega. Okwatire mpaka ebikajjo. Kat.
Mukanya chibi.
Let's go.
Tambula.
Hunter.
Yes.
Why can't you silent him?
Shut up.
Let's go.
Kat. Good. Mpola, ojja ogoberera emikululo. Yangu otulaga nti amaaso gakuumidde wansi mu mikululo. Nga bwotunulako gye bagenze so si mabbali gye batagenze. Aha, jangu. Tembera. Cutting. Menyako. Amaaso gye bagenze yokka. Goberera. Sati. Round. Menyako. Sola n'ogenda. Ojja. Amaaso gye bagenze, kakubo gye kagenze, si waggulu, si waggulu, akakubo gye kagenze. Kamera togiringiza, yisa abaso mu kamera otunule eri mu maaso. Wansi, ojja, tambula, kyekanga. Onda. Nako. Suli. Okay. Omulengera kyagenda okwata. Ha? Omugo osobola okweyambisa okubeera ng'awenjula. Kawanike tukalabe.
Kasula awe nnyini tokasula bbali.
Omulengera ta? Beera nga n'odinga omutwe ng'olaga nti otegedde. Maaso mu maaso.
Kati obwangu.
Awo. Wanika. Sita. Kyokka nakyo ne tukulaba. Genda. Speed. Commando. Sima poshi bannange. Ono mukabulu.
Ab'emirembe gy'abakombozi.
Semugole.
Leo.
Kenge kumanyoko. Obulya buki.
Ayimide.
What? What is it?
I think we are not alone. We have been followed.
I think it is time to take a rest. Go there! Hurry up! Down. How many are they?
Okay, got him.
Nyambi.
Action.
What is it?
I think we are not alone. We have been followed.
It is time to take a rest. Go there. Go there! Higher! Down! How many are they?
Okay.
One person.
Got him.
Action.
I think it's Safi. No, it can't be. That girl can even leave us back while she's there.
Got him.
Okay.
I think it's Safi. It can't be. That girl can even leave us.
No worries.
It can't be. That even can leave us back while she's there.
Down! How many are they?
One person. And it's a woman.
One person. I think maybe it's a person from the farm.
Maybe it's just someone in the farm. Someone.
How many are they?
One person. And it's a woman.
I think it's someone from the farm.
Huh?
I'm going to find out.
I'm going to find out. But why don't we get ready of the kids?
Who will carry the ivory?
What? Who will cut the ivory? Quiet!
Genda gye bali?
Quiet!
I think is one person. And it's a woman.
Oh,
Maybe it's just someone from the farm.
maybe it's someone just from the farm.
I am going to find out.
I'm going to find out. But
Why don't we get rid of the kids?
why don't we get ready of the kids?
No. Who will cut the ivory?
Okirowoozaamu.
Down! Quiet! I said quiet!
Tambula okukkirira.
Quiet! I said quiet! You. I've said you. Do you see this panga? It's very sharp and fresh. If you try, I said if you try to run away, had me.
Okay.
Ako kube!
Aha.
Tandise?
Beera mu bibyo Faizo. Loud.
Hello. How are you, boss? I'm fine. Yes. Okay, sir. Let me be there within that few minutes. Okay, sir. Yes, this guy.
The action.
Question.
Hello? Yes, boss. How are you? Yes. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Yes, let me make sure that I'll be there within a few minutes. Okay, thank you. Where's this guy? I got to dinner. I think they are going to kill us. Hunter! I think they are going to kill us. Hunter! Okay, cut. Where's this guy? Lingizayo. Jambi ajikwate once.
Kuba!
Angalina mungalo. Ni ya mama.
Neto mteka mlaudi kwanga simama.
Okay.
Akalaba.
Jikwata.
Tokujikwata jitwalira oli.
Hello. I think it's your mom.
Cut.
I think it's your mother. But speak normally if you want to live longer.
Okay, cut. Branching obuntu.
Speak normally to her if you want to stay alive or to stay longer.
Hello, Mommy.
Okay.
Normally, if you want to stay alive or to stay longer.
Tumia kumuganira. Tumia kufaizo. Sasa ndo tusimu. Hello. Okay.
Hello, Mommy. We are still collecting firewood. I'm with him and we shall be there in a few minutes. Okay, Mommy.
Okay.
Oi!
Aha, ojaye simu muwa oteka kwa
Ogaja simu muwa.
Muganja kugoba ku seti yange.
Speak to her normally if you want to stay alive. Oh, longer.
Hello, Mommy. We are still collecting firewood. I'm with him and we shall be there in a few minutes. Yes, Mommy.
Situka. Busungu. Ababu jiji. Buswandi.
Action, Jimmy.
Speak to her normally if you want to stay alive or longer.
Akolate.
Nevo faye kasa kutumiza.
Situka. Akasimu oketegereza mala okakasuka kayisa ku side yaffe.
Get up. Let's go. Carry this. Hurry up. Walk.
Okay. Cut.
Walk. Move. Let's go. Get up. Let's go. Move. Walk. Go.
No kugira kati oneganye tonana vaawo.
Get up. Let's go. Move. Walk.
Kala you can't the arrow, eh? Okay, beautiful. Cut. Ekisolisoli kyo kitongako n'omuti kibamenye. Tunulako gye bakutte. Kabonero kalabye. Tunulayo gye kasonga. Tunulayo. Dama katunulako. Aya, goberera gye kagenze. Dama katunuleko. Labe ddala nti kasonzaawo. Genda obulireyo. Bulirira ddala. Okay, cut. Olaba ebigere gye bikutte. Tunulayo waggulu gye bagenze. Tunula amaaso gazaako eri kati obanga agenda. Olaba. Speed. Dama katunulire. Kibamu n'okasunulira gye kasonze. Kyukira eno katunulire side zeno gye tuli. Bwotyo. Goberera, genda obulireyo. Okay, cut. Maso wansi. Nga gali gundi iga okumanya. Face jinyinyi bazijenge edale kole wambega tuka. Nyinyi baza face totyako. Tunula gibalaze. Weto zengo nonya gibalaze. Totandikira gibalaze wabula mabali bali. Eno. Oza maso wansi nera. Olaba wansi emikululu.
Kati kabutafuna busati tugenda kikola.
Obwagwako dda.
Obwagwako. Buli film tugikolera t-shirt. Kati gakola. Wetoloza amaaso eri yonna. Obuza gye bagenze. Obukoola obulaba pooti nga bwewuja. Maaso eno. Obanga agenda akabonero kalaba. Okay, start. Huh? Inula, ino yonna? Wow. So beautiful. Oh my God.
Oh my
Kimara.
God. Hi.
abagali enkoko ekika kya saso zimbira wano nkoko nkulu ddala zikenda kokka
Yo.
enkoko saso mugimenga
Just
makebuka
duka guno mutyo gula. Paka wano
yakolise ku maaso gyakebereko emmere yagiina ey'enkoko zino ate nga nnongoseemu 5,000 ofune kilo namba ey'emmere ennongoseemu olisire enkoko zemwana tezikula ekya neggulu
Tambula oyitemu.
Simu nabo oguzeeko ku ekika kya saso ng'oleegala mpuliza si opya mwana mulenzi ono
Hey! Poi si vuole non devo.
Sema mbokwana Philips.